stack at the Ackergill stack. See the light coming through. So that cliff one day will be collapsing. And hopefully not today. Right.
Biscuit time, is it?
So Brian R. Smith has heard I've got a gold biscuit. Here we have thornweed. So this is reproductive organs here. Okay, and it's got little buttons there. Okay, it's just the thallus or the stalk. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Brian. Playing hide and seek.
Gavin's been a good runner there to avoid you. So it's almost, that face is southwest. Oh, I never noticed that rock. And here we go, Sinclair Girnigoe. When the tide's high, you can get up through there. Yeah, there always seems to be a tide in that little bit. Nice lighting on the castle just now, Gavin. Yeah, I think she's taking a photo. Yeah, that creel ropes are pointing north just now.
I've not seen a flag up for a while.
Looking at that scaffolding, I don't think there's going to be many volunteers. So the castle's made of flagstone, those nice ornate red sandstone. Oh, it looks like it's fallen over. There, you can see. That looks like it. It's at an angle. Nice dappled sun's rays. Kelp below the zone, below the actual thongweed zone. Quite amazing that chunk of rock's taken out above the cave entrance. Quite nice colour of the cliffs, isn't it, without the sun sort of glaring off it. Laminera digitata. Oarweed or kelp? Oh, no, I'm not sure if it's oarweed, but kelp. Yeah. What's that? Sorry? Whereabouts? On the right? Right beside it? So the wind has dropped and we got a nice sun spot shining on the water. Lovely reflections in a calm Sinclair's Bay. There!
Young people, are they?
A pair of shelduck, ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, shelduck.
12 young.
12 are they? 12 ducklings. Yeah.
How many will survive?
Right, well done, Mummy and Daddy. Oh, another family shelduck, isn't it? It's really cool. The second family of shelduck.
What could possibly be disturbing about us?
Oh. How many do you think? About 8, is it?
I think 9 on that one.
Is it? They keep moving around, don't they, rascals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's the paddle?
10 possibly?
Let's give it a good crash.
I think there's 10. What do you count, Tom?
We got to 9.
9, is it?
That's the problem with these.
So 26 hours arriving back at Ackergill Harbour.